Hi, I'm Gladys and this is my partner Kaylin. We're from Santa Laurencia High School and now we're going to present the scientific experiment with without oil.
Have you ever eaten this, or this? Although they taste great on our tongue, it doesn't do great to our body.
This is due to the fact that most people use the cooking oil repeatedly, causing it to form unsaturated fatty acids, cyclic monomers, and aldehyde.
These molecules can cause obesity, cancer, and itchy throat.
Hydrolytic, thermal, and oxidative change are the cause of the emergence of these molecules.
Adsorption is a process to extract pollutants by causing them to be attached to the adsorbent surface, such as activated carbon.
We utilize red dragon fruit skin as an adsorbent because it has the highest percentage of crude fiber compared to banana skin, mango seed, and dregs of tea.
We can ensure the quality of cooking oil by finding out the percentage of free fatty acid by titration. So how do we make this to this using this from this?
The activated charcoal is produced by carbonization. Then, blender and sieve until it became powder.
The carbon are activated by soaking it in 4 molar hydrochloric acid solution for 24 hours and neutralize it by washing it using water. Then we purify the wasted cooking oil. This is the data that we obtained. As you can see, using the activated carbon, the percentage of free fatty acid decreased the most.
Thanks for watching!